Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. If you'd like to try this out you can use the link in the description, and when you've got an idea come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, I'm going to put in a 0. Alright, 0 is 2. How about a 1? Goodness, so 1 is negative 28. Let's go a little further. Wow, and 2 is negative 58. So we're way off the graph. Let's look at negative numbers here. Aha, so negative 1 is negative 28, and negative 2 is negative 58. So we don't have much to go on visually here, but what do these numbers tell you? Have you got a hunch about what kind of a function this is? I'm thinking absolute value. We're getting left-right symmetry. So 0 is at 2, and then negative 1 and 1 are both at negative 28. 2 and negative 2 are both at negative 58. And I think absolute value versus, say, like a downward opening quadratic, because from 2 to 28 is a distance of 30, well, negative 30, right? And from 28 to 58, negative 30 as well. So I think we've got this downward opening absolute value function. So because it opens downward, we're going to have a negative sign. The multiplier in this is going to be the slope. So that's our 30. And then there is no left-right movement. I think this is the vertex because it's the highest point we get here. So I think it's just absolute value of x, but then it's been moved up 2 from the origin, so we'd put a plus 2 on here. So that's what I think the function is, but let's just test this. I mean, putting in a 0, we're going to get a 2 because 0 times negative 30 is all 0, and then you're just left with that 2. But let's put in that 1. So 1, absolute value of 1 or negative 1 is going to be 1 times negative 30 plus 2. Yeah, that's going to be negative 28. And I'll leave it to you to plug in more if you're not sure. I think we've got this one. Let's go ahead and reveal. Yeah, that's negative 30 times the absolute value of x plus 2. Well, how did that go for you? Did you think absolute value? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.